Shame on you,
FIFA. Shame on you,
FIFA. The FIFA Federation of the World Cup has fallen. Its true representation is gone. They became servants to power and pride, while the people were pushed aside. Ticket prices keep climbing higher. Only millionaires can afford the fire.
FIFA. Shame on you,
FIFA,
shame on you,
FIFA,
shame on you.
FIFA. Mr. Omar Artan is an icon, a proud and honorable voice of Africa, a true representation of the continent, a symbol of dignity and strength. Trump does not know yesterday or today, and we condemn this without delay. Free FIFA from its chains of shame. Gianni Infantino resign in name. African teams, we ask you to return. We will speak it loud and clear. This is humiliation to Africans, a scandal against FIFA, an insult to justice, a dark scar on the modern world. We must stand for what is right and reject what is wrong. Let us vote and free Mr. Omar. Let truth make us strong. Hello, Somalis.